What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna check out the coins on Pump Fund, and I will tell you like why they're not successful, or if they're successful, why they're successful. This is like a research video, okay? We're gonna take a look at the coins, and we will understand what makes a coin successful or what makes it like a shit coin itself. So first thing is, obviously, for last year PumpFun is the main place to launch meme coins. It's like the meme pad, something like that. It's like meme coin launch pad. This is like a we all accept that this is like the best place to launch your meme coin, right? So when you launch a meme coin on PumpFun, your meme coin is not gonna be on this page, okay? And this is the page where people looks. So it's not gonna be on this page because your coin is going to be something like that, okay? Just like that. Look at this one. He created his coin. He made a joke, but no one, I mean, not a single person saw this, right? And just like take a look at other one. What is this? Read. Okay. So this dude, he put like a point one, and he put just a repo of something. So and he thinks like some people are going to buy it. But no. This is the new coins. Okay, let's check this one. LP pin, whatever it is. This dude, I can't even see the creation function. This is totally weird. This guy probably didn't even buy his own coin. So whatever. This is the page that you're going to be on. Okay. This one has more. 2.5K. Let's see. So this is like getting some buys. All right. Let's check the buys. What is this one? Look at this. Nothing else. Which means this dude is buying his own coins with a bot. And then, as you can see, he just sold them all with a bot as well. This is a way to create coins, way to make money, and it's called bonder. There are like some bonders around. Some of them are not really safe. Some of them are really good. And I'm like talking with one and his owner. So I'm gonna show you about that bonder later. But this is one way you can make money on crypto using bonders. Okay, this is like a, I don't know, one of the things that you can do, like one of the best things that you can do. Like there are two things in my opinion right now to make profit on crypto, and I want to show you the other one. The other one is really easy. You don't have to deal with bots or like technique details. You don't have to be a, you know, nerd or something like that. It's very easy. I'm gonna show you what it is. So there's a guy. I just spotted him like in 10 minutes ago. So this guy, he put like 13.93 Solana, and he removed 64, right? And how did that happen is very basic. This guy, he didn't he didn't just like deal with all that bullshit here, which is bonding curve. When you graduate your coin, I mean, you need like $33,000 to graduate, and when it graduates, it will take your 20% and make it like a liquidity pool, and then everyone who bought this coin, their prices are going to be lower than the graduation price. You understand what I'm saying? Like it's going to be lower than the top of the graduation price. So the graduation thing It's just for me. It's just like a huge scam. That's it. They're making money. Pump Fund is making money. I'm good with that. Okay, that it's a really good thing. But graduation thing, I'm not going to give away my Solana. You know, it's like a lot of Solana. They're like just taking it and putting it into a liquidity pool and then burning it. Like you are taking a lot of risk as a developer. So I'm like not even going into that. So if you want to just you know get rid of this thing, you don't have to launch your coins on Pump Fund. Actually, you can use Pump Swap instead because whenever a coin graduates from Pump Fund, it goes to Pump Swap, right? And when you look at the pairs on Pump Swap, you'll see some of them are not coming from Pump Fund. Okay, so this is really weird, but as you can see, this guy did exactly the same thing. He put like 13.97. I don't know if you put if it's like do you have to put that much? I don't think so because from my experiences, you can watch how I'm doing by the way on my like latest videos. There's a good tutorial for making SPL tokens and launching them on PumpSwap. You can watch that video. So, anyways, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to do how I'm doing it like normally, and but like really small summary, right? So this is a tool that I'm using for it. It's like an SPL creator tool. I don't want to deal with all that crap. So I'm just putting my names and shit, and then these parts are very important because these attributes they are on pump fund coins. If you don't select them, it's not going to look like pump fund coin. So some people will understand it's not coming from pump fund. You are launching it on pump swap, right? So pump fund token, there's this thing called pump fund token, and it's like making your coins address ends with pump, which is very important. Every coin that created on pump fund ends with pump, and when you hit click on that, your coin is going to be for $10, you'll have like a pump suffix at the end of your coin. If you want to do it do it yourself, it will take like a 15 minutes. There are like things to do, but like it's not that easy. You have to know all about like the Rust or TypeScript, like coding kind of stuff. Anyways, so creation here is like I'm doing it like fair price, and then when you create the liquidity, it's like you select your coin, you put it here, and you put your Solana right here, and then you initialize your liquidity pool, but you have to click on that button so it will launch on Pump Swap. So I'm not doing all the process because I did it like 45 times. You can see it on my channel. Just watch my older videos and you'll understand what I'm doing. Making a I'm just making a summary, so this is the really important part. That's why I'm using this tool because it has like a good RPC or something like that. This is really fast. So when I enter my pool address, it shows the liquidity right away. So I'm able to withdraw it like in a second, but I'm not withdrawing obviously. For educational purposes, sometimes I do tests. For that, I withdraw liquidity, but normally I don't. So I don't suggest you to withdraw it. Uh, I don't know about that. It's not really. I suggest you to make your coin bigger and make more money instead of making a lot of coins and farming them. So that's it for me. So this is like to sum up. Basically, if you want to create a coin on Pump Fund, you need a bundler. Okay, and I know a bundler which is safe. I will make a video about it in like I don't know three two 2 or 3 days. I, I'm not sure if I feel good, I'll make more videos. And then uh, there's a chance that you can use bundlers, or there's the chance for like, you know, doing that kind of stuff. This is like pretty easy for me. You know, this is like this. It's been like 15. Let me check. Like it's been an hour already, but like this guy made like a lot of money, and how he did that showed you before on my videos. But like basically, he created a token on SPL tool, and he created the liquidity on PumpSwap. But like Pump at the end very important, and he probably removed the liquidity. Not probably, he obviously removed the liquidity, and he turned his $1,000 into, I don't know, 64 Solana, which is like 6K or 5K, something like that. Solana is not really good right now. So that's it for me. Thank you all for watching. I'll make more videos. I'll be more active. See you around.